Breville Barista Express vs De'Longhi La Specialista, which is best espresso machine. The Barista Express has long been the standing king of the semi-automatic, integrated grinder espresso machine market. As a relative newcomer, the La Specialista promises similar quality, in a package that also includes automated tamping and milk steaming. So, is the La Specialista really a Barista Express killer? Let's find out in this video. The differences between these two machines, starting with the grinder. On the Barista Express, you have 18 settings. With the Specialista we're going down to 5 different settings. So if you're at the top end of the bottom end of your grind, depending on your rate of pouring, you do not have as many places to go with this grinder for your different beans. Also, the Breville Barista Express has 4 filters that come with it. You get 2 doubles and 2 singles. One set of them being dual-walled. In the Delonghi you get only 2 filters, 1 single and 1 double. They are both dual-walled, so this helps with the pressure. Again, if you're new to tamping, or if you have a bean that you're not sure about what grind size, it will help get the pressure up, but it doesn't come with the single wall baskets. The La Specialista is great, but the Barista Express is honestly just a hair better, and you have a more barista-ish feeling when you use it, because it's more manual. Espresso quality. Now, the stuff that really matters, and indeed where the biggest differences between these two machines become apparent. The quality of the coffee they're able to produce. The biggest issue that I take with the entire La Specialista system is the fact that it claims to produce professional-inspired, cafe-quality espresso. This is not true. The La Specialista system only comes with a 51mm pressurized filter basket, which helps the espresso build pressure and create crema by forcing all the water through one small hole, like you see on other lower-end or super automatic machines. The Barista Express is able to produce true, high-quality, genuinely good espresso. The La Specialista's shots are in comparison thin, watery and lacking in the body and velvety smooth crema that makes espresso so enjoyable to drink. The part that bothers me is the lengths that De'Longhi has gone to make this machine appear professional, putting in a routing in the portafilter to calm the high-pressure stream before it exits, and hiding the telltale pressurized outlets under metal spouts to create that syrupy flow of espresso people like to see. Let me be clear, pressurized portafilters have their place. They make getting a decent shot of espresso easier, without the dialing in process needed for non-pressurized filters, and they also allow you to use pre-ground coffee if you're in a pinch. But don't go creating a pressurized machine, and then advertise and price it as professional. The Barista Express includes both types of filters with its machines, knowing that some people are willing to take the hit to overall quality for the sake of convenience, and some will want to take the time to get the true cafe quality experience at home. Steaming performance. Moving on to steaming performance, the La Specialista has one main difference, and one's main advantage over the Barista Express. Neither can brew and steam at the same time, so you will need to wait to steam your milk until after the espresso has finished pulling. On the La Specialista, the transition to steaming pressure happens much quicker than on the Express thanks to a dual heating system. And once switched over, the La Specialista also steams quicker, taking 50 seconds to get up to a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius, versus 75 seconds on the Barista Express. From a workflow perspective, this gives the La Specialista a leg up in latte and cappuccino making speed. Other than speed, the other difference between these two machines is the style of steam wand. On the Barista Express, you have a single-hole steam wand. In order to make latte or cappuccino foam, you need to introduce air by holding the tip slightly above the surface of the milk. On the La Specialista, you have what's called a panarello-style wand, meaning that you don't need to actively manage the air introduction. You can choose how much air goes in using a valve. Once you have enough air, simply close it off, and continue heating until you reach your desired temperature. Some people prefer a manual wand like on the Breville because it gives you more accurate control over the temperature and texture, while some will prefer the help a panarello provides. Final word. The Breville Barista Express is a better espresso machine, for a lower price than the De'Longhi La Specialista. I'd therefore always recommend the Breville Barista Express over the De'Longhi La Specialista.